Hello there, what's up? It's me, Stephan, aka DJ Hotwheels here, and I'm here to show you a short tutorial on how to share your sound on Zoom. So let's get to it, guys. So, first things first, as you can see on my desktop, I have Zoom pre-installed, but what we'll need to do is we'll need to open a virtual DJ for later on. Now, as you can already see, it's already open, so that's a wee bit of a time saver for me in this video. So as you can see, guys, I already have a song pre-loaded up, so I'll just let you hear the sound quality from my laptop. So there you go, guys, that's sound quality from my laptop. Now, to get the best sound quality on Zoom, because it is microphone based, what we have to do is, for the purposes of this video, we'll set up a new meeting. We'll get rid of that actually. We'll set up a new meeting on Zoom, so start your Zoom, and obviously, like I said, for the purposes of this video, it's a new meeting, but obviously, if you're in a Zoom event with your organization or group, obviously you would just ask them to enable participant screen sharing. So we'll go ahead and set up our new meeting now. As you can see, it's just me, guys. Now this is the important part. You have to join with computer audio. That's most important. So click this button here. And as you can see, it says you're now using the computer audio. Then we enter the full screen by clicking this button here or this button up the top. It doesn't matter which button, but we'll use enter full screen. Now what you have to do, guys, is you have to click on the big green button down here. It says share screen. Now there is two ways you can do this. You can share your actual screen, but I find that it's not good for people to see what you're doing in the background. So there is another way you can do this, guys. You click on advanced up here, and then you would click on music or computer sound only. And what that does is it still allows you to interact with the event on Zoom, and you don't get taken away from it. The only thing it gets shared is your computer sound. So we hit this button, and as you see, it turns blue, and then we click on the share button. And that's it, guys. You are now sharing your computer sound, as you can see up the top in green. So what we'll do is we'll just exit full screen just now, and now obviously if I'm playing this song, you're just going to hear the sound out my laptop like that. But if you're in a Zoom event, it's critical that you do this, guys, because if you don't, the sound quality is very, very poor for all the other people listening and watching you in the event. It just sounds like two tin cans with a piece of string holding them together if you don't do this, guys. So this is really important that you do this to give your listeners and participants and viewers the best sound quality that you can give them. And once you've played your set or done your wee bit on Zoom, whatever it is you're doing, guys, to stop your share, all you have to do is click stop share up here. Then that'll then that will allow the next person to get set up and start their screen share. Not screen share, share the sound, sorry about that. So you just click stop share, and that will allow the next person or participant in your event to set up their sound share, and then that's you off and running. So we'll just go ahead and close this meeting down because we don't need it anymore. And close this down. And that's really it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial useful. I hope it will encourage you to share your sound to give your watchers, listeners, your viewers on Zoom the best sound experience that we can possibly give them. Any other questions, guys, don't hesitate to get in contact with myself. If you are friends with me on Facebook, you can just PM me and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Or if you want to email me, you can do that too. See you soon, guys. Happy Zooming.